If tangent alpha equals -7, where alpha is between 3 pi halves and 2 pi, and beta is in quadrant 2, with tangent being -1/2, find tangent alpha plus beta. I'm going to draw these two angles and triangles. So alpha, we need to be in quadrant 4 between 3 pi halves and 2 pi. And the tangent needs to be -7. So tangent is opposite over adjacent. We can always make this over 1. And I know that in quadrant 4, y values are negative, so I put the negative on the 7 and not on the 1. We could find the hypotenuse doing a squared plus b squared. So this is square root of 50, which is 25 times 2. So this side would be square rooting the 25, 5 square roots of 2. Now I'm going to go ahead and show beta. Beta is a quadrant 2 angle, so I'm making a triangle in quadrant 2, and tangent of beta is -1/2. Tangent is opposite over adjacent. Opposite 1, adjacent -2. Now it was -1/2, so the negative could have gone on the 1 or the 2, but they're in quadrant 3, y values are positive and x values are negative. Now if I did a squared plus b squared equals c squared, I would find that this side is the square root of 5. Now we want tangent of alpha plus beta. We have a formula for the sum of angles that we take the tangent of, and that is tangent of alpha plus tangent of beta over 1 minus tangent alpha tangent beta. Now actually, because what they gave us was tangent, we can just plug those in and we didn't need the triangles. Although that was good practice, because if they would have given us the sine of alpha or the cosine of beta, something like that, then the triangles would help us to get at the tangent values we needed. They actually just gave us both tangents, so we didn't need that. We can just go ahead and substitute from the info given. Tangent alpha is -7 plus tangent beta. Tangent beta is -1/2, and that's over 1 minus tangent alpha, that was -7, times tangent beta, and that was -1/2. So because those were the two things they gave us, we can just plug them in the formula. Now let's go ahead and simplify this. The numerator, this is, if I made it into halves, is -14 halves minus 1/2, so -15 halves. And the denominator, two negatives make a positive, and then we've got another negative here. So let's make this into halves. That's 2 halves minus 7 halves, so that's minus 5 halves. Now let's simplify that, so we'll invert and multiply. And let's see what we've got here. Negative times a negative will be positive, and the 2's will cancel, and 15 divided by 5 is 3.